Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Cherokee hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle, usually found on the driver's side, near the door, or under the dashboard. Give it a firm pull to release the primary latch. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the vehicle, indicating the hood has partially opened. Now, move to the front of your Jeep. Look into the small gap between the hood and the grille. You'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This is typically a small lever or hook located near the center or slightly to one side. Gently push or pull this latch while simultaneously lifting the hood to fully release it. Once the hood is fully unlatched, lift it all the way up. Most Jeep Cherokees have a support rod to keep the hood open. Locate this rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Insert the end of the rod into the designated hole on the hood to securely prop it open. Always ensure it's stable before proceeding. To keep your hood opening smoothly, apply a small amount of lithium grease or a similar lubricant to both the primary and secondary latches every 6 months. If you ever have trouble opening it, check for any obstructions or a potentially stuck release cable. Regular maintenance prevents issues. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will help you keep your garage clean while you work on your Jeep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.